Welcome! Today, we will take an in-depth look at the external confirmations process within the software. External confirmations are essential in every audit. Properly managing them helps verify the accuracy of balances and transactions by obtaining direct confirmation from third parties, such as banks or suppliers. Proper documentation of external confirmations is crucial, as it provides clear evidence that the confirmations were sent, received, and reviewed, supporting the audit's findings. In Audomatick, detailed control sheets are provided for documentation and comprehensive analysis of the confirmations process. There are two types of control sheets. One is for confirmations of account balances. The second one is for confirmations of matters of inquiry. Let's take a look at the control sheet for account balances first. Since this is an assignment-specific form, you will only see this when you are logged in an assignment. Go to the Confirmations section in Side menu and then open the control sheet, Account Balance Form. Press the Add button on the toolbar to add a new record. You will see a field named Title of the Control Sheet. You can write something like Financial Institutions, or Debtors, or Creditors. You will see the sheet has 3 tabs. The tab which is active right now has 2 grids in it. This is where most of the work will be performed. The first grid is to document the details of the confirmations. Let's say we are making a control sheet for external confirmations sent to financial institutions. We will document each letter in the first grid. You can see various columns are present to add letter reference, name of the party to which the letter is being sent, address, nature of balance and currency. You will also see these columns: circularized, confirmed, difference, unconfirmed, undelivered, and non-replies. Let's talk about these in detail. Whenever an amount is circularized to a party, the amount of balance is written in the circularized column. When the balance is confirmed, the confirmed amount is written in the confirmed amount. If the amount matches with the circularized amount, the difference will calculate as 0. If they are not the same, the difference will be calculated. If the amount was not confirmed by the party, the same amount will be written in unconfirmed column instead of confirmed. If the letter was undelivered, then it will be added in undelivered. If the letter was indeed delivered, but there was a non-reply from the client, then the amount will be written in non-reply column. Same columns are also available for credit side. The debit balances will be written on debit side, while credit balances will be written on credit side. Debit and credit checks columns should be 0 at all times. This is because the circularized amount will always be equal to the rest of the columns. You have the reconciliation file name column to attach any reconciliations between the amount circularized and the amount confirmed, if any difference. Similarly, you can attach the letter circularized and letter confirmed files in their relevant columns. If you click on the columns, a dialog box. From there, you can select the file you want to upload to the software. You will select the file, and it will upload to the software. Let me fill the grid in a moment. Now we will see the second grid. As you can see, some parties have foreign currency balances in the control sheet. We will translate these foreign currency balances to local currencies. This is because we need the values for our analysis, which we will come to later on. You can see the currency column in the control sheet. When the Translated Amount button is pressed, all the unique currencies will be calculated from the currency column, and their sums will aggregate. Enter the exchange rate and press Enter. You will see all the foreign currencies will be translated into the local currencies. Now, we only have one step more to perform, and then our analysis will be ready. To perform this remaining step, go to the tab named Trial. Press on the trial code. A selection menu will open. Select all the trial codes that you have confirmed the balances for. Control Sheet will pick total population from the trial balance. All those trial codes should be selected for which the external confirmations have been included in the control sheet. In this way, the software will be able to compare the total population taken from the trial balance with the circularized confirmed differences, non-replies, undelivered amounts. Now switch to the Analysis tab and press Update Analysis Sheet button. Once you do, this analysis sheet will populate itself. Debits and credits are populated separately, and a complete analysis is given. Now you can save the record. Press Ctrl+S or press the Save button on the toolbar. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use the control sheet.